All right, good people. We're live. God darn it. I'm finna park in here in the cab. Nah, I'll stay right here. Okay, y'all. So, I'm getting this spot real good, though. I was in the road. TT was in the road, y'all. Lord. Okay, so, anywho, y'all. Welcome back, Shot. I'm here, clearly. I'm at CVS right now because my mama said she had got a chair on sale. It was regular $20 and they had it marked down for $5. So baby, we're trying to see if that's still here. I should have came yesterday, but it honestly slipped my mind. But anyway, y'all, look at my drink. Y'all, I done drunk some of it. I definitely took some sips out of it already, but this is the truck. So if you on the coast, y'all need to be watching out for them right here. This truck is called Positive Energy. They can get my money before Starbucks. I'm gonna be completely honest. And then this was $7, y'all. Like, look at the size. And y'all already know when you go to Starbucks and you add this and that and this and that, your cup be smaller than this for $7. Anywho, y'all, like I said, I'm about to run over here and see if they got this chair. And that I feel like they ain't gonna have it, but there's nothing wrong with trying to see. And yes, if y'all notice, I don't have my ring on because, like I said, I also has been coming right back to the house. So let's not. Miss Osby, if you watching this video and you see I ain't got my ring on, let's not, okay? Okay. Just gonna clear that up right there. Y'all, get my nails. I'm thinking about, excuse me. I'm thinking about getting them, redone, y'all, before the trip. But then again, I don't know. Just like I don't know about my hair. I don't know if I want to leave my braids in and just fix my edges up, or if I want to take them out and do my hair. I kind of miss my hair, but I kind of need to give my hair a break. Cause I really want to do some twists, y'all. I want to do some long twists. But TT just don't know. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I really don't. I need to hurry up and decide so I can get the hair and all this stuff. But yeah, we'll see, y'all.
Yeah.
And then I gotta find something purple to wear.
Okay.
Like I said.
Okay.
Gotta find something purple to wear. Anyway, y'all.
Thought I did that shopping like I see you, boy.
Look, me versus you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. Bitches is washed, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for a room shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, bang clean. Diamonds on, I stand my eyes. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. It was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. It was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up diamond, bitch. No, if you fuck, I'm like, ooh, child, cool down, too hot, too wild, new clear, new style. How you fuck with me? Girl, give me one shot, I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots, and I'm shaking this ass. Give me 3 shots, and I'm ready to fuck. 5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm sending on business, I'm ready about it. Bitch, be talking, I be big in their pockets. Girl, tell me about it. I'm litty, I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm shitting on bitches in every department. This ass is heavy and thick like peanut butter. Bitches jelly about it. A lot of winning, a lot of scoring here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here. These bitches all losers. They can't do it's not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that pussy. Said it was regular. Everybody can see me in fashion, can see me with money. These bitches is bugging. Either these bitches is blind or I'm invisible. Bitch can't see me at night. When I hop out with stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, bang clean, diamonds on. I see my eyes linking up. I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. It was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
Thought I need that chopper like I see you point.
Look, me versus you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's hitting, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. Bitches is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for also room shit. What I step is stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on, I stand my teeth. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you I linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you fuck, I'm like, ooh, child, cool down, too hot, too wild, nuclear, new style. How you fucking with me? Girl, give me one shot and I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots and I'm shaking this ass. Give me 3 shots and I'm ready to fuck. 5 more shots, I be ready to splash. To me, so I gotta pop it. I'm sending on business, I'm ready about it. Bitch be talking, I be big in they pockets. Girl, tell me about it. I'm litty, I'm pretty, I'm running the city. I'm shitting on bitches in every department. This ass is heavy and thick like peanut butter. And bitches jelly about it. A lot of winning, a lot of score here. Cardi Bryant, Cardi Jordan here. These bitches all losers. They can't do it's not important. Look, hey, I'm getting better and better. I do not see no competitors. You know the gang hit that pussy. Said it was regular. Everybody can see me if that shit can see me with money. These bitches is bugging. Either these bitches is blind or I'm invisible. Bitch can't see me at night. When I hop out with stampede, foot on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on. I see my eyes linking up. I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you
where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. I told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you
That girl said, well, you don't know which way you park. You guys, we're back. I got a little spot on my shirt from when we ate it, but that's all right. And today we're headed. Where we going? Yeah, where we going? We're going to the daiquiri shop. I think that's what it's called. Daiquiri somebody. We're walking. Well, I gotta get back in the gym, start getting a little double chin up under there. I don't like that. Let's see. You can go ahead, Miss Lady. The candy cottage, that's not it.
where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the rising. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close for you.
Alright, y'all. I got a daiquiri. And then it's not yet. Y'all, they got roosters down here. And the roosters is roostering. But the daiquiris ain't daiquiring. This mud's so dry. Y'all dead wrong for this. That's okay. They dead wrong. We should do what's the other review? Come on. Is the one in Gula? Do the one in Gula got leukemia? Y'all, I'm kind of mad. I'm gonna have to pull some of this out and put some look in it because this ain't it. But which one you talking about? The one by Bogo? I'm not sure. I want to say we add a look at it there too. But I know it's stronger than these. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 0 out of 10. 0, not even a 2. They would have got a 2 if the lady didn't. She seemed a little alive. It seemed like she had something on her mind or something.
And then, I don't know, she might be into it with her man.
Girl,
Yeah.
baby,
Yeah.
said, don't worry with
Okay.
nobody while they in.
Okay,
Wait till they get on.
okay, okay.
Thought I DJ chop it like I see you, boy.
Look, me versus you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's taken, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails, bare. I can survive in the coldest conditions. Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I apply pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for us to room shit. When I step a stampede, put on neck, can't breathe. Lucky charm, Van Cleef, diamonds on my stand my teeth. Linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you linking up, I'm like, what in the fuck? If you scared, then just say that hoe enough is enough. They was just in my DMs, ain't no trust in these sluts. I'm about to call up Diamond, bitch. No, if you buck, I'm like, ooh, child, cool down, too hot, too wild, new clear, new style. How you fucking with me? Girl, give me one shot, I'm raising the glass. Give me 2 shots, I'm shaking this ass.
I don't know. Yeah, this one nice. Can't lie.
Wireless charging up here.
Nice.
Charge your phone. They're fancy.
A cooler in the
I didn't even know
front.
they upgraded
That's
like
what.
this.
It's got Apple
I
CarPlay
like
and
these
Android Auto on it. We had a really pretty one a couple days ago.